खुशी पाकिस्तान सोशल टीवी अपनी धुन।
Honorable guests, respected teachers and dear audience, Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning. I am Habib-ur-Rehman and I am in class 10, school APS Boys Sarfraz Rafiqi Road, Lahore, Kent. I am honored to deliver a speech on the topic of morality of Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, on this beautiful occasion of Hamdard Assembly. In Islam, morality or husn akhlaq and the sense of practical guidelines or specific norms or codes of behavior for doing good are primarily based on the Quran and Hadith, which are the central religious texts of Islam. Hazrat Muhammad ﷺ is the best example of husn akhlaq and kindness, as it is said in the Quran Majid Furqan Hamid. And truly you, Muhammad ﷺ, possess great morals. Husn akhlaq is not only based on a few aspects, but it is a complete set in itself. The Holy Prophet of Islam possessed the magnificent status of prophecy and divine leadership, but his manners in dealing with the people and his way of life were so simple and gentle that when he was among the people and a newcomer wanted to know about him, he had to ask, "Which one of you is the Prophet?" He had no love for luxuries or the illusions of this mortal world. He never spoke with the morose face, nor did he ever apply rough, awkward words. The Holy Prophet of Islam never reacted against the insults and disrespects of people and forgave people's mistakes or their misconducts. His reaction to the torment and disregard of the ignorant people was forgiveness and tolerance. We all have heard the story of a woman who used to throw trash on Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, every day. But Hazrat Muhammad never responded on this act. Several days passed and he noticed that that woman had not thrown trash on him. He got worried and went to visit her. He found out that she was ill. He took care of her, gave her medicine, food and drink. She was greatly inspired by the sect and immediately accepted Islam. Hazrat Muhammad ﷺ always spoke the truth, never breached of trust or harmed someone else's property, that even his enemies. The people of Makkah addressed him as Sadiq and Amin, which means true and honest. On the occasion of Hijrat-e-Madina, Hazrat Muhammad ﷺ appointed Hazrat Ali to stay at his house and distribute the fidelity among the right owners and then proceed to Makkah. Cleanliness and orderliness is also an important part of husn akhlaq because it is totally based on huquq al-ibad. The Holy Prophet of Islam was fond of scent. His pleasant smell filled the air of any place he passed. He used to brush his teeth frequently and wash his blessed hands both before and after meals. He used to look in water or into a mirror whenever he left his house. He always left his house with a clean and pleasant appearance. In the small speech and limited time, it is not possible to describe all his praiseworthy manners and morals. In fact, we have just presented a pale reflection of his heavenly and glorious portrait, so that Muslims all over the world who regard themselves as the followers of Islam and Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, can make his morals and conduct their own model of behavior and learn divine morality and correct programs of life from him and his hadith, sunnah and uswa husna, so that we can succeed in this world and hereafter. As the Holy Quran says, certainly you have in the apostle of God an excellent exemplar for he who hopes in God and the latter day and remembers God much. Thank you for bearing with me. Take care and have a nice day. It is me, Habib-ur-Rehman, signing off. Pakistan Zindabad, Hamdard Assembly, Paindabad. Allah Hafiz.
जिंदगी की हर खुशी पाकिस्तान सोशल टीवी, जिंदगी की हर खुशी पाकिस्तान सोशल टीवी अपनी धुन।